Are you struggling to calculate the total marks of students and rank them automatically in Excel? In this video, I'll show you a simple and powerful method to calculate the sum of student marks and rank them within seconds. Whether you're a teacher, student, or school administrator, this Excel trick will help you analyze student performance quickly and accurately. We will learn how to calculate the total marks using the sum function, automatically rank students based on their scores, organize students' results in a clear and professional spreadsheet. By the end of the video, you will be able to create a complete student marks report with totals and ranking in just few clicks. Let's get started. Given this sample data, we need to calculate the total marks for each student. So first you go to the student marks column, which is column G. Click on cell G3. Now type in the formula equal to this equal sum bracket B3 full colon F3, then close the bracket. This formula tells the Excel to add the marks of English to general science, then press enter. You'll now see the total marks of Richard Juliet. To apply this formula to the rest of the students, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the small plus sign appears, drag it down to the last student. Excel will automatically calculate the total marks for every student. Next, we'll rank the students based on their total marks. Go to the student rank column, which is column H. Click on cell H3. And now type the following formula. So it's equal sign rank, which is the formula. Open the bracket G3. Then highlight from G3 to G20 and do absolute formatting by pressing F4. Then to arrange it in descending order, we type in a 0 after comma after absolute cell referencing. So now press enter. Excel will assign a rank to the first student. Now drag the formula down to apply to the rest of the students. So the student with the highest total marks will receive a rank 1, and the student with the less marks will receive the last number.